I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a big update for you guys. Oh, I'm gonna need shit to get this open. Give me a minute. So, I think I got... Shit, where'd that go? Okay, here. Don't lose that. I don't know if this really... Oh, there we go. Might have broke the top, but... Yep, definitely broke the top. Ooh wee wee. Oh yeah. Oh, it has a little bit of rust inside. Yep, don't matter. Ooh. Debbie should look clean. Ooh, I gotta turn around. Nope, that's off. It's a light. Better. See if I can tilt this back up. Holy crap. Well, here's the block. Can't really do much with this. Holy crap, dude. This is cool. Never really seen a block out of a car from an EcoBoost. I've seen a whole bunch of old push rods, but this is freaking cool. Well, the build's about to get really interesting. And before I even get started with talking about this, I want to give a huge thanks to Max Power Automotive. Like the biggest thanks. I've gone to two builders, an F-150 EcoBoost builder. He said, yeah, here's your quote. And I was like, okay, this is coming in the mail. And he was like, oh, can't do it no more. Then went to another just EcoBoost builder that builds like the smaller EcoBoosts. And they were like, oh yeah, we'll do it. And then gave me a quote. I was like, it was a little higher, but I was like, okay, that's fine. They're local, they're not that far away, so like I can deal with that. And they backed out also. So yeah. Shit, what is this? Guessing the pulley. New pulley. So jam down here. Sprocket. Timing sprocket, new crank timing sprocket. Or yeah, I don't know what the hell. Sorry. But there's the code. Or whatever. You know what it is. So happy right now, I don't even know what to say. Or can't even think. Part number. Yeah. There's a part number. Part number. The block is really easy to find. Now, I ordered all this stuff off of Tasca. Oh, this is my favorite part. Oh, that kind of pisses me off. It's covered up though. Oh, here's the bolt. New bolt. Now, all this stuff right here is what you have to get if you do the Raptor crank. Alright, give me 2 seconds to get this out the box. Holy shit, that was kind of heavy, but I'm cool. The frickin' boxes I've been getting in the mail, dude. So I don't like ordering shit during the holidays, because oh my god, do they beat stuff to hell. There we go. That looks shiny. And it is heavy. Okay. Should have known that. Ooh. I wanted paper. Just stay on the side. Holy shit, this thing is a lot heavier than I thought. Alright. What am I gonna put this on? Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh, this is a workout. This looks cool. Never seen a V6 crank. Seen I've seen a 4-cylinder, one of those little Chevy turbo motors that they have. Seen one of those. I've seen miscellaneous big block, small block cranks, all V8s, Fords, and one Chevy. So, seen them before, but never have I seen an EcoBoost crank, actually. This just looks so cool. Like, I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but... And I'm getting phone calls. Alright. Crank. Keep that there really quick. Okay, I need to make sure that is everything I ordered. Block, crank, 1, 2, 3, yep. Okay. That is everything I ordered. So, let me explain a little bit what I'm going to do. Max Power Automotive is getting all of these parts. I'm not going to go too in depth with the build because I don't know 100%, but I know like 99%. They're getting all these parts the way they are now. Again, this crank. Now, I want to lay out the parts that I all bought from a company, and I'll explain it to you. So, the build so far. Max Power Automotive is getting all of these parts. The parts that I can think of off the top of my head. Again, new cylinder block, Raptor crank, got Manley connecting rods, H-beam connecting rods with ARP 2000 hardware, the Manley pistons. I'll show you these. These are really shiny. Struggling trying to get that thing up, but these things just look at the shine on the wall. Now these are, I think, 0.5 lower in compression than the stock pistons. Yeah, we'll see on the box actually. Yep. Half a... whatever that means. Can't even think right now. So... Extreme duty pistons. Connecting rods. Cometic head gaskets. King Racing main bearing, crank bearing. So this stuff is, and this, I already went over this. This is the dual intake and the hot pipe kit. I have a UPR catch can outside, and I also have, let me look at my phone really quick. Sorry guys, I had a YouTube video playing in the background and didn't want anything to happen. I actually have screenshotted all the parts. Alright, now this is all from one company, Ortiz Performance, and I ordered all from them, the dual intake UPR dual valve catch can. I ordered the hot pipe kit, Ford's new performance spark plugs that they just came out with recently. That's not really too big of a deal. I have the Dishworks pump. It's probably not going to load very well or focus. I ordered 2 intakes on accident, got refunded for it. The MSD coils, which are already in the car, Manley connecting rods, injectors, the pistons, bearings, the head gaskets. So I want to give a huge thanks to Lee at Ortiz Performance for helping me out finding most of these parts and helping with quick shipping. His shipping was amazing. Now the boxes that I got them in were destroyed. Yes, that was not Lee's fault whatsoever. If you order anything right now over the holidays, I've noticed I order a lot of parts and just stuff online because it's cheaper. I've noticed anytime around the holidays, packages just come a little bit destroyed. But if it's all there, it doesn't matter to me. So, oops. In another order I got new turbocharger oil lines, supply lines, and return lines. I got new exhaust manifold, valve cover gaskets, timing set, water pump, everything I want to do new, mostly, because I don't want to have every problems, because why would you do it multiple times and possibly have a cheap part that you skipped out on, then cause the whole thing to blow up? Like, see where I'm coming from? Gearhead intercooler. Now this thing is one of my favorite things that is going on the car. Now I haven't told you guys what kind of turbos I'm getting yet. Those are kind of on lock right now because I am actually having trouble getting them. Called back literally today, and the dude that answered the phone, super helpful, helped me like get to the top of the list for getting some of these turbos. So when I get those are gonna be probably just immediately sent to Max Power Automotive. Now that I got all these parts and my car is sitting outside, I do plan on taking it up to them and getting it disassembled and started as soon as possible. So she still runs good, just leaks a little bit of oil, a little bit as I mean like a quart every like 1,000 miles. Leaks out the turbo, out the bottom of the turbo where it comes together, just drips, and it also burns a little bit of it. But anyway, I can't wait for this build to start, and yeah, pretty much I am speechless still. It's my first engine build. Really excited that it can be the build or the car that I've wanted literally forever. I'm gonna tell you guys how I like discovered the show. When I was little, I went out to the Ford dealership that they just recently built out in Omaha, and there was an old man out there and a kid. The kid was like, "No, I want a Mustang." And the old man was like, "Oh, why would you want a Mustang when you can get the Ford Taurus SHO? You fit your family, groceries, everything you need with all-wheel drive and better fuel economy." And literally, ever since that day, that old man literally was like, "You should get a Ford Taurus SHO." I've wanted a Ford Taurus SHO and just recently picked it up on March 1st. It's been a slew of problems, but it's all fixed now, that for like the PTU. So the PTU was blown. I have a new old PTU in the box. I was gonna make an updated video about that, but then the turbo started leaking, so then I just ordered all this stuff as soon as I could to get started. But yep. Alright guys, I'm probably gonna have to end the video here. We get this all cleaned up, boxed back up, ready to take to Max Power Automotive. And again, I want to give a shout out to the two people, Max Power Automotive and Lee over at Ortiz Performance. They've been big helps with this build and really wouldn't have been done without them. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll have an update video with the car soon.